In this video, we'll discuss whether you should install a GPS system or dash cam in your Turo car. While you're here, take the time to hit the subscribe button. Based on my experience, it's better to have a GPS tracking system over having a dash cam. A lot of guests find dash cams to be intrusive into their privacy with their trip. But GPS systems are mainly they're hidden, undetectable, and they're there for your protection, not really to track the guests unless there's something wrong with the trip where your vehicle is not able to be located. One of the biggest reasons for GPS is when a guest is not communicating with you, the guest hasn't paid, and you don't know where the guest is, they're not responding, you can easily use your GPS system to track where your car is. I've had many occasions where guests will be late hours and they won't respond to anything, and they know that they're late, so this is being done purposely. They're purposely ghosting you. So basically it's up to you to now try to figure out where your car is. So having that GPS helps you to locate your car in the case that you or Turo has to go and repo the car from the guest. One of the best GPS systems you can get, and I'll link it in the description. You can get the kind that have the starter interrupt or starter kill built in. That way, if there's an issue with the guest, you can just press a button, and as soon as the guest shuts the car off, they won't be able to start it again. And usually what that does is immediately it triggers them to give you a call, because they'll realize like something is wrong with the car. Either it's being controlled by the host or they did something wrong. So that usually triggers them, especially if they're not anywhere where they can just get an Uber or get a way home. They're stuck stranded somewhere. So it triggers them to actually correspond with you. So that's why I think having GPS is better than having a dash cam. The dash cam serves a purpose if there's something that you need video proof of an accident, who was really driving and how the person was driving. But I mean, a lot of that data can be found in your GPS tracking system as well. It's just not going to be like first person point of view, but you'll be able to see the speed in which the guest was traveling and the direction and where they were at a certain time, those things. So I think, guys, you should always pick GPS system over dash cam. I don't see the need for the combo, again, because the guest does not, most guests do not like having that um, that device sitting there, usually in the window, because it kind of makes them feel like you're tracking their every move on their trip. And who wants to enjoy a trip when they feel like they're being tracked? So yeah, thank you for watching. If you get any value out this video, please hit the subscribe button and check out my other videos. I have tons of Turo related videos that'll help you as a host get through the ups and downs of being a Turo host.